But I've got to have my dreams, or this whole world would just be a mess for me. Don't you see? So I take it day by day. I won't put my heart away.
We are at the Santa Monica Pier, and Gizmo really wants to go on the Ferris wheel. I think we gotta do it.
Are you by yourself?
Yeah. Can I please be by myself?
Sorry, there's no single riding. We have to picture with a group.
Okay, so Jahnna's about to try her first Indian meal.
Oh yeah.
And this is
Yay!
chicken legs, boneless with
Yum.
Yum.
and I love cooking for them. They just just mix it all up. All right, kids. Come on,
They're excited.
Cheers.
Such a blessing.
Yeah.
Sacrifice your dog.
In her eyes it's like a pale misty morning, green as baby just as cold. From behind they could break without warning as I turn around to oh how I'm trying to keep my
You wanna go?
composure.
I'm surprised how well three of them are getting along.
Losing hold. Well, maybe I'm just overdue. Maybe I'm just getting old. Well, maybe I'm just without you I can't be whole. I wake up with my head still in motion, still whiskey on my lips, and my heart is an anchor in the ocean from a dream I wrestled with. It's not like me to be drowning in emotion, but I guess it is what it is. Well, maybe I'm just overdue. Or maybe I'm just getting old. Or maybe I'm just coming to. And without you I can't be whole.